Today we're going to try to seed before we crimp. So I got my crew here with me. Say hi, Oakley. I'm going to put it in four-wheel drive. I keep spinning. I'm going to ramp it up a little bit. Paying no attention to up there. My bad. It's still good. I was looking up, down underneath us, looking back. They doing all right? How you doing on seed? Alright, I'm gonna try to pick this other lane. Oh, it's thick in here, ain't it? Okay, I'm gonna crimp, I think from center, like right here. I think I'm gonna do 20 yards that way, 20 yards that way. It's 33 yards deep. So that would give me a good shooting lane. Probably in the corner would be close to 40 yards. That's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna leave the rest of it up and see what happens. That's the way you crimp in and seed a food plot. I think. I don't know. Hopefully it works. Alright. Even with all this on the ground, still found the mud. Yeah, they're all down in there. Look at that. Look at all them. Yeah, so hopefully, if this stuff dies, lets a little bit of sun through, enough sun might come through that it's not even going to matter if it dies or not. But you can actually see the crimper where it hit. Look. Like it hit there, hit there, hit there. There's definitely, but everywhere you look, if you pull back, look, there's tiny seed there. Man, I bet it does. I bet it's gonna do really, really good.
Right down there.
So you can't pull back a spot that you can't find a seed. Hopefully the raccoons don't figure that out. The jokers are coming here for, I don't know. Look, I didn't have anything cutting, and it cut those off. Kind of crazy. You can feel where that crimper hit these. Just snapped them. So that's what kills it. The crimper hits it and breaks the stem. See how it's crushed right here? It's crushed right here. I wonder if these sunflowers will do anything. If you look, there's, oh, check that out. I didn't think this sunflower had anything in it. Look underneath here. They're like,
With the sunflower seeds?
yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously they're not full grown, but I bet you birds still eat them. I only seen a couple big sunflowers.
Yeah, like this one.
But like this right here, look. So I bet you like the doves and stuff. Oh yeah, they'll be in there tearing them up, I guarantee it. There'll probably be more birds in here. They'll probably clean out all the seed. Well, the good thing is the seed's all hidden. Look, any little hole you see, there's seeds in it. Look, there's like 1, 2, 3 seeds, 4 seeds in that one little spot. I'm impressed. I mean, you open up any random hole and there's seeds in it. That's awesome. I think it did exactly what we wanted it to do. Check that one out.
Now you're gonna need the camera over here again.
Yeah, I know.
Or another camera.
I need about 40 cameras. I'm not. See, really surprised. The ones at the house are like 10 times this size. Break it like in half. Yeah, look at all the sunflowers in there. I think the birds will still eat them.
Mm-hmm.
The deer might even eat them. I mean, I know they'll eat sunflowers. I don't know if they'll pick those though. I just seen a snake.
See a snake?
Uh-huh. Almost positive I seen a snake. I seen a snake while we were.
That's exactly what.
Oh yeah, look at that. All the seeds in there. I mean, you just pick any random spot and there's seeds in there. Perfect. I'm really shocked at how well it worked. This should explode. There's a couple seeds in there. I can't believe we made it to the mud. Oh yeah, this is gonna grow good. This is gonna be awesome.
How many, where's the pound bags are
Those are 35-pound bags. So they're $67 a piece.
Oh yeah, dude, there's a bunch down here too.
Yeah, those sunflowers, birds will be picking at those for sure. I don't think they're fully mature, but look at that. I think they're still
Edible?
edible. Where the,
Is this like just trees? Like right
yeah, the things that are standing up are trees. See all them trees over there? I think it's the same. I'm not exactly sure what kind of tree it is, but they're trees. I'm gonna have to come in here with a pair of snips because they'll probably stand up straight. It's hard to kill a tree by running it over. Now this outside lane, this was the first one we did, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I'm curious because we were a little light on the seed. Look, I just pulled back a spot. Look. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you can't pull back a spot if you don't see something. Right there.
Yep. There's a couple back in here too.
See this right here? This is the vine you were talking about earlier.
Yeah.
So the good thing about that vine is they will eat it too. I think it's a wild grape. So with it having nothing to come up and grab a hold of, so it'll just grow up. And they'll come along and munch on that. I seen one big sunflower. Oh, right here.
This is what I was telling you about. I've seen a bunch of these here.
So if you follow it down to the base, I bet you it's got a radish hooked to it.
There's a monster radish down there.
Well, I'm a complete liar. I have no idea what the hell that is. Maybe a mung bean or something. Want something sharp in there?
Yeah, it's right there.
Huh. Sticker. Look at this. Well, now I'm curious. I don't know what that is.
There's a bunch through here.
I'll have to look at the ingredients again. There's something called like a mung. Look at this sunflower. Break that joker in half. Oh yeah. Bet you doves will be in here and everything. Doves and deer and raccoons. I'm gonna have to look that up now. So last night we had, well, this morning, probably had about an inch of rain. Surprisingly. Oh yeah, pull that up. See, that's a radish.
Yeah.
I guess the other one, I think I planted these too thick.
There's a bunch of them in here.
You know what I mean? I don't think they had enough nutrients to get big. But now the stuff we just planted, we planted thin, and it's got, I'll have to show you the ingredients, but it's got a lot of, you know, it's got a lot of small, short stuff like turnips and radish and stuff like that. So it should stay short and really leafy. Although it does have buckwheat in it, which gets tall. Birds already in it. Yeah, they're probably gonna go crazy over that Milo we knocked down. Holy moly! Look at that joker. Huh?
Yeah, that's the big one I was. And this got
those same things on it, don't it?
on it.
I think it's seed.
Yeah.
So look at the difference in this Milo. So this is the summer release blend. See how it's real short and stocky?
Mm-hmm.
And the heads are like right where deer could grab it. The reason why I wanted to knock those down is they're real spindly and tall.
Yeah.
And they're like 8-9 feet tall. I mean, look, there's another big old radish down in there. Look, there's even seeds beside it. So even where we didn't knock down, there's still probably going to be some stuff coming out.
I got all in the other stuff too. If you look through there, you'll see seeds.
Oh yeah, I see them.
I don't think the radish doesn't throw them out in front.
Well, they say they don't eat them till after the first frost.
Oh.
They're... Be careful, because I'm scared of heights. I wanted to see how much we could see. Well, good thing I wasn't riding up here. I've been scared the whole time. So you can kind of see from up here what I tried to do. I just crimp paths in between, and then where the blind's at, I crimp the whole thing down. I crimp paths over there.
Why are you shaking so bad?
Because I'm scared. I'm like 37 feet off the ground. This is a John Deere 1026, sir. They got 80 feet of reach. Okay, ease me down. I'm glad you volunteered to ride up here. It looked really comfortable for you.
That wasn't bad.
Woo! Safe on the ground. All right, we're gonna go hit another plot. Cool.